HDFC Bank numbers exactly in line with estimates. That's the beauty about HDFC Bank. They never surprise, they never disappoint, they are always consistent. 23.34 the quarter gone by versus ET poll of 23.24. So exactly in line with estimates. That's the PAT number for you. But PAT is not what you always look at. When you look at a bank like HDFC Bank, you have to look at net interest income, which is what is an indicator of how the bank has done operationally. Now, the PAT growth could be, of course, a function of high fee-based income, money the bank has made by selling insurance and mutual fund schemes and because of their brokerage business. But for the moment, we don't have those numbers. The stock is not reacting to these numbers. Gross NPA is at 1%. So this is one bank where gross NPAs have gone down. That was not the story with IndusInd Bank and Yes Bank and Axis Bank. NPAs in between quarters have gone down.
NII 46.35 is what they've delivered. How does it stack up with the ET Now poll? Pretty much in line. 46.80 is what we were expecting at ET Now. So again, bang in line coming in there as well.
We had estimated the PAT at 25%, and we have seen the PAT in line with our estimates, and the growth is pretty much in line. Not just that, the net interest income growth is also in line with our estimates. Around 17 to 18 odd % is the growth in the net interest income. Besides that, look at the asset quality. That was a key imponderable. This quarter, the bank has the gross NPA ratios have come down by nearly 10 bips on a sequential basis. And in terms of absolute terms, the gross NPAs are just up by nearly 3% quarter on quarter. This is in a very tough environment. We saw the LIC housing results as well as Gurah Finance results. Both reported a sequential uptick in the gross NPA numbers. And besides that, all the large private sector banks have reported a sequential uptick in the gross NPA numbers, but not HDFC Bank. So this is a very positive development, at least for HDFC Bank. It does give some respite in terms of the numbers out there.